Hey guys, welcome to my channel Live to Inspire. Today I'm back with my second video in the series called Your Daily Dose of Motivation. So what I'm going to motivate you today for? It's to-do list. To-do list. Yeah, you must have heard about it in many of your office trainings or seminars or inspirational videos or motivational speech or any self-help book. And it happens that we don't give much importance to it, or we don't want to put that effort to try it, right? Or you must have done it for a few days and then you have dropped it. So the same thing has happened with me also. I have tried doing it, following it for a few days and then dropped it. But with time I understood the importance of it. With every self-help book I read or every successful person's story I read, I came to know, I realized that it is important and I should add it to my routine if I want to be want to live a happy, healthy and a successful life, right? So I have started it and I am enjoying it. I am feeling that it is helping me a lot, though it is just a thing for like it's just a task of 1-2 minutes, but it is playing a very important role in my life now. So I'm going to share how I am doing it. Like initially when I started to write in my planner. There is a to-do list column. So if you buy any planner, a yearly, annual planner, a new year planner that you buy, you will get a to-do section. And if you don't have such planners or a normal diary or a notebook, you can make a to-do section in that. Otherwise, like what I find it very easy and convenient is this small diary. It's not even of 20 rupees, I guess. You will get it in any stationery shop, and it is nice. You can carry it anywhere. If you are traveling for few days, you can have it along. So it's a nice 20-30 rupees diary, and in that every night before going to bed I just write all the things that I want to do. Like there are things which are pending since so many days and I want to finish it tomorrow, so I write it. So I'm going to share few pointers, like what all things are important and how it's going to help you, and what all things you need to keep in mind while preparing a to-do list. It should not be a unsuccessful attempt. So this video, like you should try and successfully you should continue it, right? So there are few things that you need to keep in mind, like decide one time by the end of the day, wherein you are going to sit with your to-do list diary, and you are going to mention or list down all the things. You can either use this small diary, or you can use a planner, or you can use a Google Task app which is there in your Play Store, or any other to-do list time management app you can use, and you can start using it, right? So first thing is you need to decide one time. Like for me, for example, I use it by after finishing off all my chores like kitchen, dinner, serving, cleaning, everything. When it's time to go to bed, before going to sleep, I just take this thing along. I always keep it by my bedside on the side table, along with one pen is always, because I don't want anything as an excuse, like pen was not there, that's why I didn't follow, diary was not in place, that's why I didn't follow. So have a designated space for to-do list, to keep your to-do list diary, and a pen always along with it, pen or pencil, and just note it. So my time is before going to, last thing that I do is to-do list. So I just write everything, like tomorrow what time I want to wake up, because I feel that if I am not writing it, I am not committed to myself. So I realize that whenever I am not writing it, I don't wake up at the time I wanted to or I needed to. Like my waking up time is 5:30, but if I am not writing it, I feel there is no plan and I can do anything I want. So it's like a mind game here also, and you should follow this, and it will help you to be a better planner, and will help you to be more organized the next day, right? So make it a point that I'm going to write, come what may. So initially you will have obstacles, like you will follow it for 3-4 days and you will drop it, but try to be at it, okay? So whenever your mind reminds you of to-do list, just go grab it and write it, and if you are a more techie person, note down in your mobile phone. it's up to you. So Google Task is also very wonderful. You can just write all the tasks, and next day, end of the day, you can tick it off. Whatever tasks are done and whatever are not done, you can keep it as outstanding tasks for next day. So not necessary like I have mentioned all 10 things I'm going to do it, right? It's not possible all the time, because there are unplanned things that come up, and you have to, sometimes you have to go out, it's not planned, so few tasks will be pending. But still, out of like 10 tasks, if you are able to do more than 50%, like 6-7 tasks, it's fair enough, it's good, right? So this way I used to write whatever things, like any declutter, cleaning space, or any task. I have to go to library, or I have to go for shopping, or anything. So I just mentioned I have to wake up at 5 o'clock, I have to do my workout, I have to drink this much of water, or any specific, like if I forget to eat fruits all the time, so writing that 3 fruits a day, or salad, or anything, your work related thing, like you during the work, like working people, they forget to work out, or in between they forget to take that break for themselves, to get up and walk around. So anything, any reminders that you feel, you can write down, because I feel when you write down, you are actually writing it in your mind, you are being committed towards it, and you will do it. There are possibilities you might forget 2-3 days, but in back of your mind it will be there. Yeah, I have written it, I have to do it. It's like that. So initially when I wasn't much serious, but I continued writing it, and now this is, I think, my 3rd or 4th diary, and I am loving it. It's tiny, and you can carry it anywhere. It's very mobile. So first thing is, again I am repeating, decide one time, decide one designated space for your diary, and keep it along with the pen. End of the day, last thing you can do is to-do list. It's up to you. The next thing is, be specific. What all things, like no need to write the entire sentences, you can just write the keywords that you want to do it the next day. The another part is, schedule a time. Then don't include obvious or obligatory things, like there are things which we do every day, no need to write that, and you don't need reminder for obligations and obvious things, right? So things that you want to add to your routine, which will lead you to a healthy lifestyle, right? So it can be workout, it can be pranayam, it can be deep breath, it could be like throughout the day we work hard, but we forget to smile, we forget to be joyful and playful with ourselves and people around us, right? So these kind of reminders also you can write, not just workout, right? And it's like a mini goal for you. These are the goals, this will lead you to your higher goals, right? Long-term goals. So these are small habits which will help you in long time, and you have to know yourself well, what all things you can do, realistic goals. Don't write things which are not possible in near future, maybe down the line you can, but realistic goals, you have to know yourself well, what you can do, what you can achieve in the short term, and you can continue with it. And you have to you can use your own creativity. Some people divide their to-do list like priority, emergencies, and less important things. This is the way you can prioritize your to-do list. It's up to you, it depends on how is your routine. You are a working person, or you are a homemaker, or you are working from home, or like you are a businessman, anything. This to-do list is essential in everyone's life, be it a homemaker, a simple housewife, or a work from home mother, or a full-time working parent, or a person, or any individual, or a student, or anyone, like even kids. I encourage my kids to make a to-do list and what different things you are going to do tomorrow, so they are committed, they feel from within, yeah, we have written it, so we have to do it, right? It's like a sense of responsibility in you, which will help you to grow in long run. So it's not about success in terms of financial, but as an individual you have to grow, right? We always try to improve ourselves, change. So this is one change that you are going to add for better lifestyle. Okay, so this is all about to-do list. I hope you will try it, and if you're already doing it, do share your experience with me. I would love to listen to read that. And let's meet in our next video in the same series, your daily dose of motivation. I hope I was able to motivate you to to create your to-do list, and I hope you will definitely create it and be committed to yourself, and you will take your responsibility. Goodbye, take care, and love from Live to Inspire. Take care.